Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to be adding eyes to one that was already completed other than that, and that's this one right here. And these are going to be her eye color, just doing a clear silver almost kind of stone and putting it on the fake nail. I'm going to be using foam mounting tape and cutting the nail in half. We're going to be splitting it to make each of the eyes. And then just remove that excess part of the nail that's more transparent there. And if yours has a magnet like this one does, you'll have to cut off a little more of the corner of the eye to fit in there. And then repeat that step with the other eye. And then just put a small dot of hot glue for the flat back rhinestone to go on for the eyeball. When I find I have excess hot glue, I will just take one of those nail cuticle trimmers and just take out the excess glue there. And using the double-sided foam tape, we're going to be cutting that into small strips and putting it above and below the eye socket to attach those nails with the rhinestones on them. And now just put in that nail with the flat back rhinestone on the front so that you can see it through the eye socket. And I'll turn this around, you'll see how beautiful it looks. And this is how beautiful her eye looks when you use my design here. And then using that same method for the other eye, using the double stick foam tape above and below the eye socket. And then apply the nail with the rhinestone on it right in the eye socket, so that you can see the stone on the other side through the eye socket. And then you'll see here that it looks beautiful just like the other side did. And there they are, both done, looking gorgeous, sparkling like I wanted them to. And it's a pretty easy method. And there she is on my tree. And I'm so happy that it looks the way it does when it's finished. Thank you so much for watching. And subscribe if you would. Comment and share my videos so that I can keep doing this. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.